Now, after we have finished writing our machine learning model, the only thing that's remaining is checking if there are any errors or such in your Django model and migrating your database table and creating super user and then finally running your server. So now we'll try to migrate and create the super users. So I'll go back to the directory that has my manage.py. I'll increase the size of this and I would like to zoom in a bit. Okay, and I'll say Python manage.py create super user. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it says no such table as auth user. So we'll check this out. For this, we'll have to migrate first. So I'll say Python manage.py make migrations and I'll give my application name as app underscore Titanic. Let's see what happens now. Yes, the model was created successfully. Now I'll say Python manage.py migrate. Yes, all authentications and everything have been applied successfully without any errors. And now again, we'll try to create the super user. Yes, everything is successful. So I'll give the username as admin again as the same as the college API. I'll give the email address again as admin at xyz.com. I'll give the password again as admin only. Again as admin. Again, I'll bypass it. Super user created successfully. Now, the final part, running your server and checking whether you will survive or not. Interesting as well as cringy at the same time, right? Because each and every person tries with their own credentials that yes, my age is this one, I would have survived or not. So what we will do is we'll run the server Python manage.py run server. We've run the server. Let's check whether our REST API with the ML model is working or not. Yes, you can see your REST API Titanic hyperlink model serializer is working. When I click, you can say, okay. So it says type error at, okay, I'll check it out. We can check this. Okay, so it says that it needs to be a tuple, right? I must have used curly braces instead of round brackets in the serializers.py section. So I'll go to the serializer section. Yes, you can see I've used curly brackets instead of round brackets. It needs to be a tuple. So I'll say curly braces and again curly braces here. I'll save it. It says serializer.py change and it's reloading. Yes, the server has reloaded. And now when I refresh, yes, your Titanic API is working successfully. Now, give any passenger ID, P class, check the values according to the data set. It's an integer value, so give any P class like 2, name, suppose my name, male, my age is 21, siblings per person, suppose siblings and spouses, suppose 2, PH, what's the PH value? We can check again in the data set. It's an integer, so I'll suppose I give 4. Ticket I can give anything. Fare also I can give anything. And cabin, let's say A, and embark, suppose Q. Now, if I post and if I successfully get a value here in this section as 0 or 1, that means my machine learning model is working properly. Okay, one more error. It says attribute error. Uh, Titanic object has no attribute to underscore dictionary. Okay, we'll check this out again. Okay, so this to underscore dictionary, I must have done something wrong. So I'll just close it and yes, see, this is to underscore dictionary. I'll save it and I'll run the server. Okay, the server is running. I'll rerun it. When I rerun the server and you see, yes, your it's working. You can put your entries here again. Okay, if I post and I get a 0 or 1 value, that means our API is working. Yes, see, 0 value shows that I will not survive this. And you can also use the JSON style here and then post it in order to check whether the person survives or not. So that was all from my side in this playlist, and it was a very great experience. I will share this code and the dataset on a Drive link, which will be mentioned in the description. So thanks a lot. Looking forward to delivering more videos, and please, please, a dear request, please like and subscribe to our channel and spread a word about this forum. Thanks a lot, and I will be seeing you in another playlist, or my colleagues will be there. So please take full advantage of all the content that we are posting to the maximum extent. So thanks a lot. See you soon.